Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about the legal framework of merger and acquisition. So applicable to legal framework under the merger and acquisition, it is applicable to all companies, applicable to listed companies. Under the acquisition, it comes under the SEBI regulation 2015, other SEBI regulations. Under the applicable to all the companies, it comes under the Companies Act 2013, Competitive Act 2002, Income Tax Act 1961, Indian Stamp Duty Act 1899, RBI and FEMA regulations, accounting standards, industry specific laws. This all chart comes under the legal framework. Types of corporate restructure. Under the restructure types, you have the financial restructure, market restructure, organizational restructure, technological restructure. Financial restructure, it pretends to restructuring the capital base and raising finance for the new project. It helps a revival of the financial health of the company, usually carried out to address poor financial performance, external competition, erosion of market shares, emerging market opportunities, buyback, reduction of capital, debt restructure are some of the examples under the financial restructure. Next, we discuss about the market restructure and technological restructure. It involves decision with respect to the provide market segment where the company plan to operate on its core competitiveness. The technology restructure occurs when a new technology is developed that change the way in industry operate. This type of restructure also involves allies with third parties that have a technical knowledge or resources. Indian technology major Tata Consultancy Service Private Limited has embarked upon the process of restructuring and focusing on three core areas: cloud, ALL and automation. The plan of the company focus on the manufacturing capacity and on product, technological, technical, financial, employment, organizational, purchasing and managing restructuring activities. Similar to this example of Hindustan Unilever Limited take over the Horlicks, some of the examples such restructuring are joint ventures, strategic alliance and franchise model. Organizational restructure, it involves changing the internal structure of the organization, which is making the company asset light, employee and shifting the asset of other party, etc. For example, P&G focusing on branding and supply chain, while most of the production is done by the 3P and 2P's company of the companies. Then we can discuss about what are the types of mergers under acquisition and merging and demerging. Under the acquisition, business transfer, share purchase. Under this business transfer, you have the slump sale, itemized sale, then share purchase, you have the primary and secondary. Merger and demerger, amalgamation, demerger. Amalgamation is nothing but consultation through the court scheme. Demerger, business acquisition by court scheme. This all comes under the merger and acquisition. Next, we see types of mergers take place by purchasing asset, by purchasing common shares, by exchanging shares or asset, by exchanging shares for shares. This comes under the merger and acquisition take place the assets of purchasing. Then we can see merger and acquisition include a number of different transactions such as merger, acquisition, amalgamation, consolidation, tender offer, purchase of asset. Then we can see the management buyout. Next, we see what are the types of acquisition. We already discussed about the amalgamation under the companies A and B joined together to make a C company, that comes under the amalgamation. Then absorption is nothing but A plus B, it join as a A, that comes under the absorption is an example. Next, we see types of acquisition. It is a legal process by which two or more companies join together to form a new entity. So, the essence of amalgamation take part the arrangement thereby unlighting and undertaking of two or more companies. Then, the word amalgamation is defined as section 22(1)(b). The Income Tax 1961 defines amalgamation as in relation of companies means the merger of one or more companies with another company, of the merger of two or more companies to form one company, being referred to the amalgamating company or companies, and the company which they have merged or which is formed as a result of merger as the amalgamating company. Thank you.